Hello, Disney Car Toys here, and today is my birthday. So I figured I'd show you all how to make a Cookie Monster Eating Cars cupcake. My son came up with the Cookie Monster Eating Cars idea, and it has since become quite a fad. To make the Cookie Monster cupcake, I'm using a can of blue frosting, and this frosting is made by Wilton. It actually came with 4 different tips. I'm using this tip to create Cookie Monster's fur. Now that we're done with Cookie Monster's fur, I'm going to add Cookie Monster's ice. And these are just the ends of a marshmallow. I just used a knife and cut off each end. And we can place it on the cupcake for his ice. Now I'll use just a black tube of decorative icing to make Cookie Monster's ice. I got this icing just at my local grocery store. Now here's the fun part. We will add a Disney Cars Micro Drifter where Cookie Monster's mouth will be. Just make sure don't eat the Micro Drifter. Now that we have the car in the cupcake, we need to draw Cookie Monster's mouth around the cupcake. And I'm just using the same black icing that I used for Cookie Monster's pupils. I'm going to do a couple more touch-ups here just so that his mouth looks like a half circle and so that I have icing all the way around Lightning McQueen. And here's our finished product. Thanks for watching and have a great day.